right, welcome back to the channel. I got myself a neck or head harness. All the videos on YouTube are by men. There's not a video by a woman on neck training. So I discovered the importance of neck strength when actually back a couple years ago, I work with a lot of patients that would get whiplash issues, like neck issues as a result of being in a car accident. And seeing their pain and discomfort made me realize how important your neck is, safety reasons. And of course, if you want a certain look to you, if you're a man, because yes, men, obviously women typically don't want it unless you're a freak like me. Although I don't know about you, but my neck looks pretty good right now. Some ladies flirt with men by showing their glutes. I flirt with men by flexing on them. This is their neck goes forward and back, right? And typically there's going to have some sort of like a strain or like some sort of pain right here. And typically if you go to a physical therapist, they're going to have you do neck exercises. So this is what it looks like. And I look kind of silly, but it's okay. Show you from the back. And then you have this little ching-a-lang, you know what I'm saying, right here on the sides. Okay, so you're going to take a weight. You actually don't need to use a weight. You can use bands. Okay, so you're going to look down, up, 2, up, 3, up, and 4,000. Okay, now what I don't like about this thing is that the weight moves when you flex and extend the neck. So this is flexion, this is extension. Okay, when I flex my neck, the weight is going to move, and it's really annoying. So that's kind of a downfall to this thing, but you can put up with it, as your neck gets bigger. Another thing I don't really like about it is that you can't work laterally, okay, because obviously this is meant to work in the sagittal plane. Strengthen your neck this way, not this way, okay? So in case you want to go see where the gun show is, then you can't see it because your neck's not strong enough. Incline on my incline bench, and I'm going to look down and up, down and up. Now, mind you, this exercise is to not make your neck bulky, in case you haven't caught up on my slightly sarcasm. This is actually just to strengthen your neck, okay? So if you want a stronger neck for contact sports like MMA, jiu-jitsu, boxing, football, wrestling, hockey. Okay, I like hockey, guys. This is really effective, really good, really great for strengthening that neck. If you're somebody like me where you are into aesthetics, lifting and stuff like that, then it works also, because when you are deadlifting, you actually put a lot of stress on your neck as you're lifting the weight back up, as you're, picking it off the ground. I should just go to the grocery store and make eye contact with all the fellas and be like, hey, you want to go out with me? They look at me like, who's this lady? Get her out of here. The mean ones will say, you're not a lady, you're a man. Are you subscribed to my YouTube channel? And those kind of men don't deserve my huge biceps. They don't deserve my kind of love because they're intimidated. A real man is not defined by how big his biceps are. A real man is a man that can take care of his lady monetarily and emotionally. That's a man. Okay, it's not about how big his biceps are, although that helps. Program this in, like two times 2 by 20, 3 days a week or something. That should, work just fine. Maybe wondering, why would you program it 2 by 20? Because if you go to a physical therapist or a chiropractor, they're typically going to program it 2 by 10 or 2 by 15 or what have you. So I would treat this as a therapy exercise, as more like a collateral. So, just in case anything else were to go wrong, at least you have a strong neck. So that is the video. Remember, the only easy day was yesterday. Subscribe to the best YouTube channel ever. Remember that what works for your friend will not work for you. And you have to meet yourself where you are right now. If they are in a different spot in their fitness journey than you are, then you have to do only what you can. So don't load up this thing with 45 pounds weights. You're going to hurt yourself. You want to be careful, be smart. Okay, always start small, especially when it comes to smaller joints like your neck. You want to start small and progress yourself. Always start small in fitness. Always start small. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Thunder Thought!